Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Quandra and I'm back with another video. I know I have been MIA for about 3 weeks, but I'm back and I'm better. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started into this look. This particular look I call Arabian Nights. I don't know why, it just reminds me of Arabian Nights. So that's what we're going with. So right now I'm just priming my eyes with the Rimmel London 25-hour concealer in the color medium, and I'm using an e.l.f. Flawless concealer brush to blend that out. One of the palettes I will be going into today is just the Watch Me Blush palette by the Crayon Case, and I'll be using the colors Berries, Cranberry, and Tangerine. Okay, so the first color I laid down was the color Berries. After I put down Berries, I did go ahead and blend it out with the color Cranberry. And then after I put down Cranberry, I did go ahead and blend that out with Tangerine. So it all was just one smooth transition. I went from darker to lightest, and that actually worked pretty good for me. I tried this technique before and I did not like it, but this time it worked really well. Okay, so now I'm just outlining my lid. I didn't really want to do a full cut crease. I kind of just wanted the gold to focus on my lid. The first gold that I did go in with was from the Armed and Gorgeous palette by the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. I went into the color Coin. That was kind of giving me like a stale gold look, and that's not what I wanted. So I went in with two other palettes, and I used the Watch Me Blush palette, and I used the color Old Banana. And then on top of Old Banana, I went into the Box of Crayons palette, and I used the color Gold. So these three colors together really worked really well for me, and it gave me like a gold foil look, which is what I was looking for. Okay, so right now I'm just using the NYX Epic Liner to create like a simple wing, just to prep for my lashes. The lashes I did use were from Amazon. I'll go ahead and link them in the description bar if you guys are interested in those. Moving on to the skin, I just used the Nivea cream to moisturize, and for primer I just used the Ofra Cool as a Cucumber moisturizing primer. This is a really good primer if you have sensitive skin. For concealer today, I did go ahead and use a foundation. I used the ColourPop No Filter foundation, I think in the color 155. This is the foundation that I accidentally purchased, so I just decided that I'm going to keep it and use it as a concealer. It worked really good as a concealer. I did allow it to sit on my face for about 3 minutes, so it can get a little tacky because if you guys are familiar with this foundation, it is very watery. So I did let it sit for about 3 minutes, and then I sprayed it with the setting spray, and then I just blended it out with a Miss A blending sponge. For highlighter today, I did go ahead and go back to the Watch Me Blush palette, and I used the two shimmer shades, Old Banana and Cinnamon. And you guys, these colors together, yeah, I just found a new highlighter mix. Like, the cinnamon reminds me of the Anglola, blah, blah, blah. I cannot talk, y'all. The cinnamon reminds me of the Anglola highlighter. I like that one too, but that one is a little messy, and I don't really want to deal with that sometimes. Alright, you guys, so you guys are nearing the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed doing this look. I was getting bored with makeup, but I have been inspired, and I'm gonna start back doing my colorful looks. I think I was just getting bored with makeup because I was just trying to go with the whole theme of like fall and doing like neutral looks, and that's not me. So we're just gonna keep doing it the way that I love to do it. I thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll see you guys in my next video.